Hello everybody, I'm Patrick with GoSun, and I'm here to show you the GoSun Dream, an off-grid, solar-ready tiny house that comes on a 22-foot chassis, 10,000 pounds, and it's ready to go to any of the 15,000 RV resorts here in America or into your backyard and be ready off-grid. You got your water, your electricity, your heating and cooling needs, all on these four wheels. Come take a look. GoSun's solar kitchen is going to come with every one of these, so you can cook, cool, clean, charge, light, and purify water, all with our solar kitchen. Indoor-outdoor living is a big thing for us here, so we've got an awning that comes out about 10 feet, 16 feet wide, and when the winds hit that awning, it retracts. Let's take a look on the inside. First thing you'll notice is really quality features with all of our hardware. All the doors and windows are the primo. You've got a banquette here. The table will drop down and it can become a bed for guests, but your bed is going to be up here. It's a queen size bed. It comes up and down on tracks. So you bring it down, jump in bed. Once you wake up in the morning and jump out of bed, you send it back up, get it out of the way for the day. Air conditioning, water heating and cooling. And you'll see this giant kitchen here. A nice big basin sink, stove top. It's going to come with a GoSun solar oven. Let's take a look in the bathroom. Got a full-size shower, a little sink, and this is a composting toilet. And this is a very interesting unit. It has the ability to separate liquids from solids. It also has plumbing for black water in case you go with flush if you're on sewer or septic. This is a very robust solar system, so you never have to worry about power. All your onboard battery, inversion, charge controlling, monitoring data. So that is the GoSun Tiny House.